Hi Sanjog. So this issue is not related to the task that I'm testing. I just wanted to understand if this is a missing implementation. So I created this task and I'm assigning some employees to this. So this employee doesn't have access to this customer, and as per the design, when we select such employees, the discussion is getting created saying this assignee doesn't have access to this. So if you want to give permission, you can give. And when I create a duplicate of this task, um, the task is getting created with both assignees. And so are we expecting that discussion is also getting created for this newly created duplicated task basically? Yeah, that's my question. Thank you.